Welcome back to another episode. You already know what you're watching. Low hat, life of a HallBoy. How you doing, Uncle Ponte Hall? Today we're gonna do something that I actually enjoy. Today we're gonna do something such as work. We're gonna be productive with this video. We're gonna make this video count, man. I got stuff to do. It's wintertime. Freaking salt, dirt. People can't drive. It's Michigan, you know what I'm saying? It's bipolar out here, man. The car dirty. My car, I said I would do videos on it. So I am. But I'm gonna clean this sucker, man, because it's filthy. And I can't stand out riding fly. The inside of my car is typically clean. I keep the inside clean because I don't really eat in it. I never really bring many people in it. You know what I'm saying? So my car, the inside clean, but the outside, oh no. Absolutely not. So we're gonna have to give it a bubble bath, scrub it down, show y'all what that process is, give y'all a little tour of it, man. Cause I know some people are like, dang, what he drive? Stay tuned, man. Cause this video, it's cold out there. That's the only thing. But today is one of the warmer days. It's like 36. Believe it or not, that's one of the warmer days. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do something. Is there something on my nostril? We're gonna try to go ahead and do that because it's been needing to be washed for at least 2 weeks now. So stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Like one of these, baby. We're gonna start taking out the rugs now. The rugs in the wintertime, man, it's no joke. As y'all can see, I already keep my car pretty clean. I keep my car clean, man. But dealing with salt and goddamn on just dirt, shoes, etc. It's hard to maintain. Michigan is no joke, man. They gotta keep these roads salted and all that junk stay in the bottom of your shoe when you bring it in the car. That's where I'm at all the time. Look at that mess. Look at it. Alright, so we got the roads out of there. Now what we gonna do with this sucker is we're gonna do some vacuum action. Because what you wanna do is, hold on, let's take time to recognize all the work I put up. This is the first time y'all get to see this. Now I got 412s in here. I told y'all, that's all bass, right? Those my babies. I changed the speakers right there. Installed 2 TVs in the back seat. That's the third one that came in their stock. I put a head unit in there, it's radio. PlayStation in the yada yada. I put them little speakers right there. That's your voice. We got another PlayStation right there. Running on them, and there's some other stuff, but I can't tell y'all everything, man, because you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to be no target. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get the vacuum action up in here, so stay TUNED. I hate to say it, man. Oh, I hate to say it. Because it is not warm out here. It's not. But, we got to wash this sucker. We got to do the hard work now. Now, I'm just going to warn y'all. This car is dirty on the exterior, but that's only because I deal with a dirt road every day. I take care of my stuff, man. So don't think I'm just some type of dirt ball or nothing like that, man. So we're going to go ahead and scrub this sucker down. Take notes, man, because I know y'all car dirty too. decided to join us. Look at that. Look at that fool. What's going on, brother? So what's going on, brother? You rocking? Just took a little long to get in, didn't you, man? Where was you?
Walking home.
Walk home then. Next time, run. How was it? I feel you. What I'm gonna go ahead and do for this sucker, no sponsorship. We're gonna use some wax. As you dry, man. We're gonna go ahead and wax this sucker. Go ahead and wax this sucker, man. Get a nice clear coat on this sucker, man. It's cold out here. I want this sucker to shine, baby. I want this sucker to shine. Look, my hands pretty cold, okay? They're pretty cold. It wasn't so bad, honestly. It took a minute, but that's because it was so dirty. Like, you seen the inside wasn't that bad, but the outside, it's live off a dirt road, so you already know. It don't matter how slow or how fast you take that sucker. Your car will get dirty. You will be mad, because it seems like it only get dirtiest when your car clean. I try to keep the outside of my car clean as much as possible, but that don't go so well. Because this salt, I mean, it's all in the rugs. You get on the back of your pant leg when you get out that sucker. It's just bad. I'm satisfied with the way it look right now. I keep my car spotless in the summertime. Like, I clean it like maybe every day. So for the people that see me riding out here, man, know that that's not my style. You know me. You know I ride clean, man. So if you didn't know how to wash your car before this video, watch it again. Maybe I could teach you a little something, man. Because not everybody know how to productively wash their car. They go to the wash and get themselves a $5. You know what I'm saying? And me personally, I'm not much of a, I don't really like going to the car wash. I can tell you why. One, because I'm cheap. It's a strong word, but I am. You remain cheap so you can have money in your pocket, man. And two, they scratch up your car. All right, so just keep that in mind. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it, because I did it for y'all. I did it for myself, but I did it for y'all. It was cold out there, but I got a clean car now, so I'm ready to go somewhere. Y'all stay beautiful. I'm Clavante Hall, man. It's been a pleasure. Told y'all I was coming out with more, and I will be coming out with more. So keep rocking with me.